Everyone, welcome back to the vlog. It is Sunday. We are now in the yellow phase here in Pennsylvania. So I'm just going out and running some errands, getting some Starbucks, and going to Target, picking up a gift for my friend who's supposed to have a baby this week, and some healthy snacks, and just getting this week off started. It's gonna be another work week in the life of an internal auditor, and I'm just gonna show you guys my work from home routine and kind of how that all plays out. It is finally really nice here in Pittsburgh. It's about 80 degrees today, and I seriously couldn't be happier. So excited to get this week started. Got my Starbucks. It was made almost perfectly and made it to Target. It looks like it's Christmas here. With how many people are out and about, it's really crazy, but hopefully I can find what I need, including some Clorox wipes would be nice. And just styling in my blue surgical mask. Pretty chic, right? So it was really interesting array of things available in Target. Very limited on the toilet paper and paper towels. I did get a hand sanitizer that I'll show you guys in a second. So I got this, which seems kind of like a natural hand sanitizer, but it says that it has 62.5% alcohol, and I believe you only need 60% for it to be an effective hand sanitizer. And this is a pretty big bottle. They were limiting it to one person, so it seems kind of natural. And you know, natural hand sanitizer is kind of debatable whether it really kills bacteria, but this one does look like it still has alcohol in it. So hopefully this is a good and effective hand sanitizer that I can use for a long time and just kind of keep in my car. So happy I got that. Got a few snacks, got the gift card, got new razors, face wash, all that kind of stuff. So now it's just time to go home. This is outfit of the day. Ignore the scrapbooking behind me. I'm just wearing this tie-dyed sweatshirt, black leggings that I literally have not worn since college, and these fun socks that have ducks and mermaids on them. But I have 4 minutes to get on this conference call. I have my headset and a notebook. It's just like a team meeting, check-in. We're probably gonna update each other on what we're working on, how we're feeling, all of that. Let me know if you guys are utilizing conference calls or video calls or conference calls. What are you doing? We're kind of doing a mixture of them both. But it's kind of nice to see my team, and I actually don't mind it. It kind of gives me an excuse to get ready and get myself moving. So I'm gonna jump on this, and then I have some other assignments to keep me busy for the rest of this afternoon. So I just got off my conference call, and it's time for a little afternoon at-home Starbucks. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a hibiscus berry refresher at home. So all you need is some Tatcha passion tea. You wanna fill up a cup of water, heat it up in the microwave about a minute or so. You could also, of course, boil water on your stove, but this is a little bit faster. I find that I really need like a treat for the afternoon, whether it's like coffee or like an at-home refresher or just even a seltzer water. I just like need a little boost in the afternoon, so I always try to make myself something to kind of look forward to, and if I can't go out to Starbucks, at least I can look forward to it at home. Yeah, so there's no sugar in this. I'm sure you could add stevia, but I don't. And I just let it sit till it gets this really deep purpley color. I'm also gonna have one of these Nature Valley soft bake oatmeal square granola things. They're really quite tasty. They're pretty small and they look like this. It's kind of like a desserty granola bar. Back into my room now, where I spend 99% of my life. So it is 6:35 and I'm getting ready to go for a run on my treadmill. I find one of the best ways to help me stay sane is just keeping my regular normal schedule. Work from home during the day, eat dinner around 4 or 5 o'clock, and then do a workout, work on my writing, and just really try to stay busy. So I'm gonna hopefully run about 3 miles in 30 minutes and listen to some fun music. I've been really loving Maggie Rogers recently. She's awesome. If you've never listened to her, if you like alternative music, check her out. I also like Neon Tree's new music, and I don't know, I've been listening to a lot of old stuff. Like, I'm still obsessed with the Taylor Swift Lover album, and I always listen to some Bruce Springsteen, so that's pretty much my mix. I didn't really take off my concealer completely, so I should probably fix that before I run. Whatever this stuff is, I am totally jacked up from it. Like, I had this like 6 hours ago. I didn't even have the whole thing, not even half. I had like 4 sips. I'm not kidding. I had like 4 sips, and I am totally wired. Like, I could feel my heart like beating through my chest like now, like hours later. It's absolutely insane. These are very dangerous. And I say that, and I'm like a regular coffee drinker. Like, I drink like 1 to 3 cups of coffee a day, but this is like insane. Looking a little rough. I've been a bad vlogger. Haven't vlogged too much, but I just got done with a meeting. We did a sprint review for our agile audit, and it went really well. My manager told me I did a good job. The line of business said everything was super efficient, and they thought we didn't bother them too much, so I'm super grateful about that. I think I'm gonna go get some Starbucks now, because why not get a little afternoon Starbucks. Another update about my week is that we have an intern, and I'm like the intern mentor buddy person. So I've been kind of busy with that, kind of helping her onboard and do some training and like teaching her about the department. So the last few days have been really busy, but I think I got some clips, at least some montage to insert. So yeah, sorry if this vlog is choppy, but I really wanted to do an Auditor Workweek vlog again. We actually have found out that we are working from home until September 1st, which is what? totally crazy. I miss the city. I miss being able to walk in Pittsburgh and get coffee with my coworkers and go out to lunch. So kind of bummed about that, because working in the city in the summer is so much more fun than working in the city in the cold winter. So maybe it'll be shorter than that. I don't know. I don't know how all the small businesses are going to survive. So those are the updates about my life. Gotta get some Starbucks and keep on grinding. Got my Starbucks. I just get a grande iced coffee with light cream and 3 pumps of vanilla. I feel like my life these days has been just going to Starbucks, but let's be real, my life kind of always revolves around going to Starbucks. Oh my god, I feel like I'm getting wrinkles like right here. Gotta get on the retinol game. But got my Starbucks. I love the barista here. She's so friendly. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home, maybe put on a little makeup, I don't know. And then I need to work on my HSA audit that I'm leading. I think I talked about that in another vlog. I don't know, maybe I didn't. But that's kicking off next week, so gotta really do some work today, tomorrow, and Friday. Today's Wednesday. I don't think there's any footage from yesterday. I'm so sorry if this is confusing you guys. But yeah, let's go home. So it is post-work. I just got done eating dinner and I got a package in the mail from Sephora, and I thought I would share it with you guys since I do a lot of beauty and fashion related things on this channel. So the first thing I picked up was some Ouai conditioner. Ouai makes some of the best smelling shampoos. If you want a good smelling shampoo, try Ouai. I got the new conditioner for medium hair. I typically don't use conditioner because I have pretty oily hair. I washed my hair last night and you can see it's already like pretty oily because I didn't style it or anything today. But despite me having oily hair, sometimes you just need some conditioner. So I picked this up because I noticed I hadn't had my hair cut in a really long time until we moved into the yellow phase of quarantine. So I didn't have any haircuts and my hair was getting so damaged. So I ordered this Ouai conditioner and it looks pretty thick, but hopefully it's nice and lightweight. It smells really good. I also ordered some sunscreen for my beach trip to Florida in a few weeks, and this is a matte sunscreen. I plan on wearing this more like under my makeup during the day, and whenever I go in the ocean I'll probably use Neutrogena face sunscreen and sunscreen all over my body, but I wanted something like more mattifying to wear under makeup. So this only has SPF 40, which I probably need a higher SPF for the beach. But I've heard a lot of good things about Supergoop. I heard it doesn't break people out. I heard it keeps people matte. So I'm really excited to try this, and I will possibly do a review on it if I think it's worthy of something like that. And then I got one free sample, and that's the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I've always been interested in trying this, even though I have oily skin. And I spent 100 points to get a Bare Minerals sample, just because I feel like I never spend my points, and there's not a whole lot that I'm super interested in from the free stuff, but this looked pretty good. If I can get it open. This is from Bare Minerals in the color Honesty, and it looks like a really pretty lipstick, so I'm gonna try that out. I'm excited to try this out. My camera stopped recording for some reason. I got a bunch of notifications, so I guess that's why. So it's actually because my storage is full, so I'm gonna make this quick. They had a promo code for a free mini perfume sample, so I got this by Replica. This is Beach Walk in, I don't know how to say that, some sort of like French word at the bottom. This smells really good. It's kind of musky and vanilla-y, and it smells like a very sensual beach scent. It's really hard to open up. Woo! And it just looks like this in a cute little bottle. It smells so good. So yeah, that's what I got from Sephora. I'm gonna go get a run in and catch up with you guys later. Hey everyone, it is Thursday. I actually got ready today because we have a team video chat at 1 o'clock. It's kind of a busy day. I have a meeting at 11 with my manager to talk about the audit that I'm leading, so that's fun. Surprise, it starts next week. Kind of forgot about that, so I kind of have to do a lot of work these next few days for that. I feel like my hair looks like a really weird color today, but I don't know. Sometimes my hair changes colors. Anyway, so I have that meeting at 11, then we have our team meeting at 1, then at 2:30 we have a meeting at the business to talk about some of our continuous monitoring. So pretty busy day. I literally have not been doing my makeup at all, so this is the first time I've done my makeup all week, and it's just pretty simple. I mean, my lips are kind of bold, but everything else is very simple. I am excited because I finally am almost used up the wretched Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and whenever I use that up, I am going to buy a different foundation to try out. I'm kind of thinking about the Beauty Blender foundation or the Beauty Bakery foundation for matte for oily skin. So if you have either of those, let me know and maybe I'll try one of those out. I also wanted to show you guys my new coffee mug I got from Amazon a few weeks ago. I really love this. I'll link it below in case you're interested. It's really pretty and it's held up well. I use it all the time, put it in the dishwasher all the time, and they give you these 2 reusable straws, which was really nice. So I'm gonna go get back to work, get ready for this meeting, and I will catch up with you guys later. So I'm gonna end my work week vlog here. It's about 1 a.m. on a Friday night, and today I had like 5 back-to-back meetings before we got dismissed early for Memorial Day weekend. Followed that up with some Dunkin', had a hardcore night of writing, so nothing too interesting, and hopefully I can get this vlog up. Thank you guys for watching, making it to the very end. Let me know what you did over Memorial Day. Were you in quarantine? Did you go to the lake? Did you go for a run? Let me know what you did. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!